Costa Rica is in Central America and has been an isthmus, a peninsula, and even an archipelago in recent geological history. Costa Rica has one of the youngest surface areas in the Americas, only 3 million years old, because the volatile area has been recently thrust from beneath the sea. Costa Rica is on the Caribbean tectonic plate, with the Cocos plate to the west. According to the Joint Oceanographic Institutions for Deep Earth Sampling Program, known as JOIDS, the Cocos plate is moving northeast at a rate of 9 centimeters per year relative to the Caribbean plate. My RASP explored this topic. Previous research has said that the plate margins along the Caribbean and Cocos plates were accretionary, meaning that they grew in a process by which material was added to a tectonic plate. However, the landward migration of the coastline, progressive subsidence, and extensional deformation at the Nicoya Peninsula are features frequently observed at convergent margins exhibiting net material loss of the upper plate. New research by JOIDS with reinterpretations of published seismic data, similarly to the Van Gestel study, and observations on ODP drilling results showed that the convergent margin off Costa Rica is dominated by the process of subduction erosion. The Cocos plate has gradually broken into 7 fragments, which currently move at different depths and angles. This fracturing and competitive movement causes frequent earthquakes. Ocean trench quakes have been recorded at 8.9 on the Richter scale and are some of the most volatile quakes ever recorded. These ocean quakes usually cause other tremors. This happened on April 22, 1991, when a 7.4 quake hit the Caribbean town of Pandora. It left 27 people dead, more than 400 injured, and 13,000 homeless. The earthquake caused the Atlantic coastline to rise permanently, as much by 1.5 meters. The beaches are now deeper and coral reefs are dying. Costa Rica lays at the heart of one of the most active volcanic regions on Earth, the Ring of Fire. The type of magma that fuels most Central American volcanoes is thick, viscous, and so filled with gases that it causes the magma to violently erupt in the air. The 3 best-known volcanoes are Poás, Iraçu, and Arenal. In 1964, Iraçu broke a 20-year silence and covered San Jose in 13 centimeters of muddy ash. Poás has been erupting off and on since the 1950s and is 4 miles wide. Arenal erupted in 1968 after a 4-century-long dormancy, killing a Tico tour guide. I have been to Iraçu and Arenal, and they are terrifyingly beautiful. The subduction erosion between the Caribbean and Cocos plates causes all of these earthquakes and volcanoes, acts of nature that characterize Costa Rica.